In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay card temporarily locked. First, open your bank or card app to check for any alerts or notifications explaining why the card was locked. Many banks allow you to unlock the card directly through the app by verifying your identity or confirming recent transactions. Next, if you don't see an option in the app, contact your card issuer by phone using the number on the back of your card to verify your identity and request the card be unlocked. Once your bank confirms that the card is unlocked, it should automatically work with Apple Pay. If the issue persists, remove the card from the wallet app and re-add it to refresh the connection. Make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is updated to the latest iOS or watchOS version and that your device has a stable internet connection. Following these steps usually resolves a temporarily locked Apple Pay card, allowing you to make payments smoothly again. So that's it.